Now here's something that not a lot of people know about. This is sponge res, and this is a great thing to have if you want to repair your bodyboard. So this is just a resin that goes on your board. Once it dries, it gets hard and it seals it up. This is great if you have dings in your board. If you have delamination, you can put the panels back in. If you have gouges, you can seal them up so they don't take on water, and your bodyboard will last longer. You can also use this for swim fins. And if you remember those old Makapuu swim fins, the rubber ones, they would always get cracked because the rubber would dry out, and this can fix that. Also, what I primarily use this for is bodyboard leash plugs. So whenever I put in a new leash plug, I put this around the hole, and then I put the plug in, and that keeps the water out and it seals it up nice and tight. Now, one thing to be aware of with this is that it only works on the more expensive bodyboard cores. So if you get those super cheap bodyboard cores, the EPS cores, this will actually melt that foam, so don't use it on that. But if you have like polypropylene or polyethylene or any of those higher end cores, this works great. And this is okay with all deck material as far as I know, so that's no problem there. It's just a matter of if you put this on an EPS foam core, it will melt it, so that's obviously not a good thing. But otherwise, I like having this around. I don't use it very often, obviously, only if I have a something to repair or I'm going to put in a leash plug. So if you can get the smaller tubes, that would be better usually, but this is the size that I found at the surf store, so I'm going to use this. But highly recommend it if you have a bodyboard, especially if you have a higher end bodyboard. This is good for keeping that for a very long time.